Hello, my name is Marcello with 3S Shooting Sports Software. Today I'm going to teach you how to build and use teams with 3S. So a couple of ways that you might want to use teams is, for example, at a state shoot you might want to have husband and wife teams, or at a smaller shoot you might want to have a 5-man race team for different trophies or added money. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to first go to the setup menu, and then I'm going to go to number 10, Teams Program, and I'm going to select Build Team. Now here you can see that I already have several teams built, but what I'm going to go ahead and do is build another one for events 1, 2, and 3. And so here I'm going to say that we are doing a 5-man race. And then I'll go ahead and just double click on some names here in the list. Now we can always find somebody by their ATA number. So we can just type in their ATA number, press enter, and it will find them, or we can sort by name. So here I can find somebody by name, double click, and add them. Now I'm going to go ahead and finish building this team. And once you've built your team, which you're going to need team a name, so I'm going to go ahead and name this team 1, and then I'm going to select build. If it has been successful, you'll see team written to database. Go ahead and click OK. I'm going to go ahead and close out of this. So let's say that we need to edit a team. For example, somebody gets sick or somebody drops out. We'll need to edit the team. So once again, setup menu number 10, Team Programs, and then we'll select Edit Team. Then we will select what kind of team that we're looking for. I'm going to look for a 5-man race. And then I will double click on the team. And here I can replace anybody I want. So for example, I'm going to go ahead and replace Alexander. And then over here in this grid, I'm going to find somebody who I want to replace with, and double click on their name, and then that person will be replaced. Go ahead and click Done when complete. And then in order to pull the Team Scores report, go to Reports menu number 6, Team Scores. You'll select what kind of event you're looking to pull. So for example, I'm going to pull husband and wife. And then I'm going to display the report. And then here it'll show you the combined scores. So in order of highest score to lowest. And then you can close out of that report, and that's all it takes to use Teams with 3S.
If you have any questions, feel free to email us at support@shootingsportsoftware.com or call us at 1-801-396-7800. If you like that video, hit the thumbs up button. If you'd like to see when we post new content, hit the subscribe button. And if you'd like to receive notifications on when we post new videos, hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.